Hello, my dear students. Usually, most of us concentrating on how to do problems on maths. Everyone try had to study the different methods of doing problems by this way or that way, and some were succeeded. But one thing you will forget, that is multiple choice questions or MCQs. For CBSE, actually 50% of questions are like MCQs, which are concept based. After learning all difficult problems, we think we know everything. But in the exam hall, you will definitely sweat on MCQs. This so that, oh, totally confused. And the exams ends in a disaster. You will never going to experience this anymore. This is Sajini Srijit. Welcome to my channel for the series of MCQs. Okay, let's start with the rational numbers MCQs. First question, a number which can be expressed as P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 is. Actually, this is the definition of a rational number. So, the answer is D, that is rational number. A number of the form P by Q is said to be a rational number if P and Q are integers, P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So this is already explained in the first question. P and Q are integers. Okay. Then Q not equal to 0. Why Q not equal to 0? If Q equal to 0, it become P by 0. But it is undefined condition. Okay. So the answer is B here. Next question. The numerical expression 3 by 8 plus minus 5 by 7 equal to minus 19 by 56 shows that actually this deals with the closure property. Okay, what is the closure property? Here the first number 3 by 8 is a rational number, minus 5 by 7 is another rational number. Then what is the result obtained? This is also a rational number. Closure property can be applied for addition, subtraction and multiplication but not closed under division because divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, so here the answer is, this is the operation here is addition. So, rational numbers are closed under addition. This is the answer. Which of the following is not true? Okay, this is about the closure property. I have already discussed. Rational numbers are closed under addition. It is closed under subtraction. It is closed under multiplication also, but not closed under division. So, not true is the answer D. Next question, minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8. This is the property of commutative. Okay, so it shows that addition of rational numbers is commutative. What is commutative? A plus B equal to B plus A, where A and B are rational numbers. This is commutative property. Then next question, which of the following expression shows that rational numbers are associative under multiplication? What is associative property? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. That means the order. First we are multiplying B and C first, then multiply with the A. And the second case it is first multiplying A and B, then multiply with the C. Then which shows this ABCD equal to A into B into C. So this is the correct choice. Next one is 0 is the additive identity. 0 is additive identity. So this is the identity for addition of rational numbers. So A is the answer. Then what about 1? 1 is the multiplicative identity. Never ever forget 0 is the identity of addition. What is identity of addition? If you are adding 0 with a rational number, then 0 plus a rational number is also equal to the same rational number A. Okay, this is the identity for addition. That means there is no change in the number if you are adding 0 to it. Okay, then what about multiplication identity? The next question is 1 is the identity for multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplicative identity means if you are multiplying the number with 1 or 1 into a, where a is a rational number, it results in the same number. Okay, so we are getting the same number if it is multiplying with the positive 1. Okay, positive 1. Sometimes the choice will be like my negative 1. There are questions like that, but never ever confuse. We are getting the same number if you are multiplying with the 1 only. Okay. Next question, the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. What is meant by additive inverse? It is nothing but we have to simply change the sign of the number. If 7 by 19 is the number, then additive inverse is minus 7 by 19. Here it is minus 7 by 19. So additive inverse will be positive 7 by 19. So this is the answer. 10th question, multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is. Okay, negative rational number, say minus 5 by 7. It is a negative rational number. Then multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but if we are multiplying the inverse of this number, we are getting a product equal to 1. That is multiplicative inverse. Here, the answer become 1. Okay, so the multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is, it is negative, a negative rational number itself. Okay, this may make confusion with additive inverse. So please listen, additive inverse, we are changing the sign only. We are not taking the reciprocal. But in multiplicative inverse, we are taking the reciprocal but not changing the sign. Okay. Next question, if x plus 0 equal to 0 plus x equal to x. This is actually the additive identity equation, which is where x is a rational number. Then 0 is called the identity for addition of rational numbers. We have already discussed it. Next question, to get the product 1, we should multiply 8 by 21. 8 by 21, we should multiply with the 21 by 8. Okay, so the answer become 1. And here the answers like minus 8 by 21 minus 21 by 8. Okay, it is to confuse you. Actually, we should get the product 1 when the signs are same. Okay, so 8 by 21, then the answer will be 21 by 8 itself. So next question, minus of minus x. Negative of negative is equal to positive. Okay, so the answer is x. Next question, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 by 7 is. So here first we have to convert it into improper fraction. How can we convert? 7 into 1 plus 1, that is 8 divided by 7, and the sign is negative. Okay, then what is the multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means we are taking the reciprocal but not changing any sign. So the answer becomes 7 by minus 8. So D is the answer. Next question, if x be any rational number, then x plus 0 is equal to, x plus 0 is equal to x itself. This is additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. The reciprocal of 1. The reciprocal of 1 is nothing but 1 itself. 1 by 1 is equal to 1 itself. The reciprocal of minus 1, 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. The reciprocal of 0. The reciprocal of 0 means it like 1 by 0. It is undefined. So not defined is the answer. The reciprocal of any rational number p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is. Reciprocal of p by q is nothing but q by p. If y be the reciprocal of rational number x, then the reciprocal of y will be. If y is the reciprocal of x, meaning y is equal to 1 by x, then reciprocal of y, that is 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 1 by x. 1 by 1 by x is nothing but x itself. So the answer is x. The reciprocal of minus 3 by 8 into minus 7 by 13 is. So we have to take the reciprocal of each number, that is 8 divided by minus 3 into 13 divided by minus 7. So 8 into 13 is equal to 104. and minus 3 into minus 7. Both are negative numbers, so the product is positive. So 104 divided by 21 is the answer. Next question, which of the following is an example of distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational numbers? What is the distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, this is the distributive property. And here the first one is minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 7 is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4 into minus 4 by 7. So it satisfies the distributive property. So the answer is A itself. Next question, between two given rational numbers, we can find infinitely many rational numbers. Next question, x plus y by 2 is a rational number. Consider x and y as say 1 and 2. Actually, all integers are also rational numbers. Okay, x plus y by 2 is equal to say 1 plus 2 by 2. Okay, that is 3 by 2. It is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 is in between 1 and 2. So the answer is between x and y. Next question, which of the following statements is always true? Always. Okay. So we have already learned that x plus y by 2 is a rational number between x and y. This is all about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have surely come with MCQs like fill in the blanks, true or false, etc. in another video. So stay tuned. Enjoy learning.